Okay, I was having problems with this one here because it wasn't turning. Actually it did, and then it got stuck. First thing that I looked for, make sure that the lock was level. You can see the writing has to be level, and if not, that thing will not catch on the lock. So I was able to open the door by banging on the handle. I was able to open it. So I removed the back lock where the key is, and so I looked in there. See, it has the a latching part where it grabs the lock and just pulls it and brings it back. But the screw that was in there, it was coming out, so it was getting jammed between the black thing and everything, and it wouldn't do anything. So also notice here that this one also is coming out. See, that will jam everything. So there we go. Now I'm gonna put it back in. I already put some lube in there just to be on the safe. That's what the problem was. So okay, let's put this one in there. To take your time. There we go. No. Have to make sure that the lock is right down here. If not, it will not latch. Then this is how you secure everything. And voila. That's it. Oh, I just got to put the lace bar here. Just missed a call. I think it's the owner calling me because they're a little nervous. And since they were asking me how much I was going to charge to get it fixed, I couldn't give them an answer because I didn't know what was wrong with it. But now you know what to charge. Alright, there you go. Alright, next time.